is a demonstration video for FORD 250, 350, 450, 650 Super Duty tracks with year of 2010 to 2016. So this head unit will be compatible with OEM track without sync system, and it also supports OEM rear camera. So the head unit is pure plug and play, so all the air vents and car knobs just sit into these holes. So completely plug and play, no cutting, no joint at all. Screen size is 12.1 inch. So it will give you this vertical design, will give you a very unique operation experience. Now we're gonna demonstrate all the main functions that this radio will bring. Let's do Carplay first, because many clients are not sure how to use this. So to use this Carplay function, you have to make sure your Bluetooth is connected to your cell phone first. Bluetooth is on. This is the device name. Click. Pin code is 4 zeros. Just, yep, connected already. Now car auto. I will automatically go into this this application because I did it previously. So there will be a message popping up. Yep. Use Carplay with this device. You click use Carplay, so it's gonna connect. Yep. So this is the main interface for Carplay. You can see the phones, music, maps, messages, podcasts, and other applications you have. So this will give you a hands-free experience using this Carplay function. Very convenient. So later we see the navigation. There is no maps installed right now, so you have to go to Google Play Store to download an offline map from Play Store. Here, Play Store is here. You just log in with your Google account and then download the offline map. So every time you use the navigation, you don't have to use your data. And this is radio and music. For music, you can listen to the songs from your USB stick, or you can copy and paste to the car folder and play it from the head unit itself. Also, you can download like other music browsers or applications to the head unit and then play it from there. Here is EQ, adjustment, sound, filter, balance, strum, bass, etc. Bluetooth we already demonstrated. Video is same as music. You just copy some videos to the head unit, then you can play it here, or you can play it directly from USB stick, or you can download the YouTube application and play from YouTube. Explorer, that requires you to connect to Wi-Fi hotspot. So you turn the hotspot on. Hotspot on. Then you click inside, select the hotspot you have from your cell phone, or you can connect to Wi-Fi as you wish. Then you can surf the internet as you wish. So it's already connected. So you can open the pages here. Okay. Settings. Let's see what's in settings. Default applications. Application customized. GPS monitor. Date and time. Language settings. So here are the main functions. Inside, you click more settings, you'll find more languages built in. And the dimmer, night, day, user settings, wheel settings, system information, reset, etc. Applications here, Gmail, Google, here we go, Maps, Play Store, and this file manager. File manager is for you to connect to your USB stick and copy paste stuff from USB stick to the header unit. So, for example, if you want to copy a folder, you just long press. Sorry. Click the folder, and this is copy paste, this is cut, this is delete. If you want to copy, and then you go copy to the other folder, you just copy and then paste here. So yeah, these are actually the main functions the unit will bring. And here, if you look at the bottom, you will see the volume control, fans, AC controls here, auto, max. Yep. So it's very convenient to control from the screen itself. Yeah, so these are the main functions we're gonna demonstrate today. For more information, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.